bruh. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix all this rust. Foam. The Civic is made out of foam. This is not looking good. I feel like I should just put this on. This fang's cooked. And at this point, everything was just kind of cleaned up, sprayed, just trying to get rid of more rust before I put the new piece on over. And you can see like some new metal I got put in there. I showed the Russian man at Max Motors my Honda Civic repair job, and all he really said was illegal. And moments like this, you kind of just like trust the process, I guess. Like, it's going down. Getting the Bondo on there. All primed up. Looking mint. Not bad. Like, yo, what?